So, you're stranded on a desert island. Bad news, no respawns. Good news? If surviving was a video game, here's exactly how you'd level up. And everyone starts at level 1. First, the tutorial. Don't die today. Fresh water, coconuts, and anything useful the ocean coughs up. It's not glamorous, but skip this quest and the game ends very fast. Next unlock, shelter. Palm leaves, driftwood, and questionable engineering. It collapses once, of course it does, but rebuild it, and tonight the rain isn't your problem anymore. That's XP. Boss fight number 1, fire, rub 2 sticks, get a blister, try again, fail again, and then one tiny spark changes everything. Congratulations, you've just unlocked civilization. Now, the food quest. Spearfishing looks easy. It is not. The fish are faster, smarter, and honestly a little smug. But land just one dinner, and you level up. Then comes the grind. Smoke the fish, stack the coconuts, upgrade the base, survive the storms, day after day after day. Boring? Maybe. But every sunrise is XP. Time for endgame strategy. Getting found. A giant SOS on the beach. A signal fire stacked and ready. And now the hardest level in the entire game, waiting. Final boss, the ship on the horizon. You get one shot at this. Light the fire, make the smoke, wave like your life depends on it, because it absolutely does. And then, rotors. Rescue. Level 50, you beat the whole game. And somewhere behind you, the island resets for its next player. Subscribe if you'd survive day 1.